Today you'll take your daily oral language quiz number 6 for language arts. Be sure to put your name and your class number at the top of the page. For the first section, you're going to correct 3 sentences. Make sure that, remember, the part that will be graded is your rewriting of the sentence on the lines below, not any editor's marks that you make in the sentence. Number 1, Jack's brother and sister lives in Charleston, South Carolina, where they attend school. Number 2, the boys' bedtime routine, which includes singing a song, helps them sleep good. Number 3, in these, the style of glasses you were considering... Let me start over. Number 3, is these the style of glasses you were considering? The optician asked Nathaniel. Number 4, asks you to circle the best word to complete the analogy. The analogy is, trial is to judge, as orchestra is to blank. Is that a conductor, music, a violinist, or audience?